Managerial o professional occupation, ito raw ang pangarap na trabaho ng maraming immigrants sa Canada. Pero kakunti lamang daw ang mga Pilipinong nais makamit ang mga nasabing posisyon. Ayon po yan sa bagong ulat ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules. Ang mga posibleng dahilan sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Sa bagong ulat ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules, nakitang 53% ng mga recent immigrant nais magtrabaho sa mga managerial o professional occupations. Pero pagdating sa mga Pilipino, 25% lamang ang nagsabing interesado sila sa mga nasabing trabaho.
It's not actually about, Filipinos having a lack of ambition, education or skills. In fact, the Filipino community is one of the highest, community groups with who are highly educated, highly employable, but there's still a gap between finding any work and finding work that truly reflects our kababayans' qualifications and experience.
Ayon kay Solis, ang kakulangan ng Canadian work experience at hindi pagkilala sa mga kredensyal ng mga Pilipino ang ilan lamang sa mga posibleng dahilan kung bakit nangyayari ito.
Filipinos often prioritize survival and stability first, right? So, marami sa mga kababayan natin, especially newcomers, they support their family members, whether they're here in Canada or back in the Philippines. They have financial obligations, nagpapadala sila ng pera. And because of these financial obligations and pressures, newcomers often prioritize immediate employment rather than long-term career rebuilding.
Ayon sa datos, ilan sa mga intended occupation ng mga Pilipinong immigrant ay home childcare provider, food service supervisors, registered nurses, registered psychiatric nurses, food counter attendants, kitchen helpers at cooks.
Among those who intend to work as a registered nurse or the tended to have the highest occupational match rate, I think it's around like 45%. And then also those who intended to work as software engineers tend to have higher occupational match rate than other immigrants.
Sa ulat, nakita rin na isa sa bawat 5 immigrant na nakarating sa Canada noong 2010 hanggang 2020, nagtatrabaho sa kanilang intended occupation noong 2021. Si Solis, nagbahagi ng payo para mapalakas ang resume.
One advice I would definitely share to newcomers is to tailor your resumes to Canadian standards, right? Rather than using standard resumes from back in their home countries or back in the Philippines. Also, in your resumes, also highlight transferable skills, leaderships, and accomplishments, and not just your job description or job title. This will highly get you to be, more attracted to employers.
Makakatulong din daw ang pagpalawak ng professional network para makakilala ng mas marami pang taong posibleng makatulong sa paglago ng karera. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.